outside, so I got the action jacket on today, but I'm in a hurry because daughter's got to be at gymnastics here in like 30 minutes. I got to get weighed in here, go inside, pound some breakfast, get to gymnastics, then get back because we got work all day. Took the week off of work from my media business to work completely on mask this week to get caught up on a bunch of stuff. So, all right, let's get weighed in, see where we're at this morning. Wow, still 246. What is up with this plateau, guys? Pissing me off and shit. I don't understand. Stuck to the plan. You know, I don't understand. This is just one of those weird things. Like I've hit this plateau. I can't seem to get under 245, 246. I've yet to break under 245. I hit 245 once there for a little bit, but fuck, we're gonna hit it this week. Let's go head to gymnastics. I'll see you guys over there. Did you have fun? Mm-hmm. Did you like your gymnastics? Yep. All right, you're doing a good job.
I'm gonna get something.
You gonna get something? Yep, if you're a good girl. All right, guys, so that was gymnastics class. Getting pretty hungry at this point. It's almost lunchtime, so as soon as we get back, we're gonna eat some lunch. I'll have a protein shake a little bit later this evening, and then we've got a training session tonight around 6, so I'll be seeing you guys at the gym. What?
The gym.
What?
The gym.
The gym?
Mm-hmm.
Is that where we're going?
Mm-hmm.
That's where I'm going. Yep. All right, guys, we'll see you there. All right, guys, so I'm at the gym now. Eddie couldn't make it tonight. He wants to actually meet tomorrow night, which is traditionally one of our off days, but he wants to get our workout in tomorrow night, our lifting session in tomorrow night. And tonight he wanted me to go ahead and phase in some cardio. So I'm gonna be doing 30 straight minutes on the stair climber tonight. So I'm not gonna take the camera in because that would be boring as shit to watch, right? So I'm going in right now. I'm here just to show you guys I'm here, right? So I'm here at the gym, walking in right now. 30 minutes on the stair climber. I'll be back when I'm done. Catch you guys in a few. All right, guys, so that sucked a little bit. I ended up going like 31.5 minutes. Kept my heart rate at around 175-ish. Got in like 1,500 stairs, almost 100 floors. It was brutal. It's the first time I've been on the stair climber in a hot minute, so my legs are pretty much toast right now. But that's pretty much it for today. Just a quick cardio session for the night. The first cardio session phasing into our training because we've just been doing lifting here for the most part. We have done a little bit of high intensity stuff mixed into our lifting routine, but like tonight was the first night that we actually did just straight up cardio work, and we're going to be doing more cardio work throughout the week moving forward. Now we're probably going to be bumping up the training from 3 days a week to about 5 days a week or so. So on my normal off days, I'll probably be throwing in some cardio. Okay, guys, so I've got a problem. The problem is that I don't have like a proper table and backdrop set up here in this building. This building's only 220 square feet here. I'm putting you up in the corner. This is the very corner, and you can see that, like, go to the other corner, like this is not a super huge building, right? Like, this is not that big of a building. It's only 220-ish square feet. So the dilemma is I've not really had a place to put it in here because I'm already kind of cram-packed in here, as you can see. So what I've done here, I got my guitars. My guitars used to be hanging right here. Some of you guys might have seen that in the past, but I'm moving my guitar mounts. I'm going to mount my guitars over here. And those three bookshelves, those three smaller bookshelves over there used to be right here, all in a line. And so I took them from right there, I put them over there, and I think they fit quite nicely. Once I get that cleaned up, it'll look better, obviously. And then I'm going to rip the whiteboard down. I'm going to rip the soundproof panels down. I'm going to rip all of this down, and I'm going to cover that entire wall from that corner of the loft all the way over to that corner of the loft. And so this whole wall right here is going to be nothing but walnut stained wood panels, the same color of my shelving there. My shelving turned out great, and I'm going to do the same color on the wood panels that I'm going to put on this wall. I'm also up above, I'm going to rig something from this side of the loft to the other side of the loft that will allow me to hang different backdrops if I wanted to. I'm also going to have probably I'm going to build some kind of apparatus or buy an overhead camera rig to go from this side of the loft to the other side of the loft, to where the camera can sit way up here, right? And it can look straight down onto the table for like tabletop style reviews, or just whatever types of videos that, you know, would look good in a studio set. I want to have a proper set that, you know, that you guys can get familiar with and kind of have some consistency with. I think I've finally figured out how to get that in this space. It's going to be tight, but I think we can do it. And I wanted to show you guys what my plans are and what I'm going to do. I've got the bookshelves moved. Obviously, the next step is going to be to rip all this stuff off the wall. Not going to worry about patching holes, right? Because I'm going to be going over it with the wood panel, so that's good. So I'm ripping all the soundproofing off. I'm gonna take down the whiteboard. Maybe I'll put the soundproofing up on the angled part of the roof or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna do something with it because it's soundproofing, and it, you know, obviously I need it in here for recording purposes because I'm in a neighborhood and it gets fucking noisy around here. We got dogs barking everywhere and neighbors partying all night long. So I'm excited. This is gonna be like a proper set. I gotta build a table too. Or buy one, I don't know. I'm probably gonna build one, that way it's custom fit to this space, and I think it'll be awesome. So the next steps, I don't know, I probably won't get to it today, but I'll document the process. The next step is gonna be to rip all that stuff off the wall, go to Lowe's or Home Depot, pick up the wood, bring it back, cut it to size, stain it up, put it up on the wall, and then after that we gotta worry about the table. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. That's right. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. That's right. For the record, lab on me going all the way. All the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Okay, so we got all the soundproof panels and the whiteboard down off the wall. Obviously, the wall looks like a mess right now, but we're going to be covering that up with wood. I may go pick it up tonight. If not tonight, tomorrow. I want to get this done. I don't like projects like this to last weeks, so I want to get this done. So we'll go to the store soon, get the wood, get it on the wall, get it stained, cut, all that good stuff, and this should be a fairly quick project. Electric guitar hung up right over here. I was going to hang them both over here, but it felt a little too cramped. So what I did was decided to put my acoustic on the opposite wall in the same position. And so we've got the jailer canvas there, and I've still got the fuck average canvas over here. I'm probably going to move that one over there, or just leave it there, and I'm just gonna get a new one, a brand new one over there. I'm not sure what I want to put. I'm probably gonna put some canvas up there, or more acoustic foam, or I don't know. I want a little bit more art in here. So I kind of like the way that looks over there, so I want to put another one over there on that side, and I think that'll look pretty good. So now I was thinking maybe waiting another day or two before going to pick up the wood, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and measure, and we're just gonna go get it and get this thing done. I really don't like being in a work zone, a construction zone, right? So I want to get this done, get it back together so we can start filming with the new set. I think it's gonna be awesome. So let's go to the store. so we're here at Lowe's. I gotta go in and get the wood. I've gotta get some screws or glue. I'm not sure which way I'm gonna mount it yet, but I'll decide when I get in there. And then I've gotta get some drill bits because all my drill bits for my drill are stripped out and ruined, so I gotta pick up some new drill bits. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna grab those things, and I'll be right back. All right, we got our wood, we got our nails, and...
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to college for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.
Alright guys, so we're back at the office now. Obviously, I've still got a lot of work to do in here, right? I've still gotta get all these boards. I've still gotta tack them all up on the wall there. Gotta patch a couple of holes here. We'll do that tomorrow. But I'm gonna try to get up the majority of these boards tonight, if not all of them. And I'll be honest with you guys, I already had dinner. On the way home, the family wanted some fucking McDonald's, so I had to go get them some McDonald's. But I went and got Barbaritos. If you don't know what Barbaritos is, it is a genuine burrito joint. It's not Taco Bell. I have been allowed to have it a couple of times throughout this transformation already, and I was just had a weak moment. My trainer wasn't answering me in text to let me know if yeah or no. I should have said no, but I said yeah, and I went and got some fucking burritos. Just, you know, flour burritos, lean ground beef, cheese, sour cream, that's it. 2 of them. And you know, so that's probably gonna put me back up weight-wise tomorrow. But hey, we got in cardio tonight. We're gonna get in a lift session tomorrow night. I'm almost certain he's gonna destroy me tomorrow night as payback. So let's go ahead and set the camera up and maybe time lapse me putting all this wood on the wall. All right. Cool. Man, I've really got to get that wider angle lens. That'll be really nice. So we got a hammer and we've got some finishing nails, and I think that'll be probably the easiest way to put this up. Instead of doing screws, I decided to just, screws or glue, I decided to just go with these finishing nails here at the recommendation of the awesome dude at Lowe's, who said that he has done a shiplap wall like this before, so he recommended that I use these finishing nails here. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so just got done putting up the panels. Got just a little bit of gap up top. I was thinking maybe I should have started from up top, that way the gap would have been on the bottom because it's kind of irrelevant down there. Being that it was just me, I figured it would be better to start from the bottom, that way I could rest the boards on top of one another as I'm going up. So it was much easier, faster to do it that way. And I'm not really worried about that little gap up there. It's not enough of a gap to worry about. So I think it turned out pretty good though. Again, I really need my wide angle lens to kind of capture this the way I want to, but I think it turned out pretty good. So we got that much wall space now, and we're gonna put a table in front of that. Not a lot of room right here between this my desk and where the table's gonna go, but whenever the table's not in use as a video station, it'll be backed up to the wall, and we'll actually use that for just standard shelf space or counter space or whatever. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Now, the next thing that we gotta do is, I'm thinking It's a little bit rough in some areas, and I think that, you know, generally when you sand it, the stain will take to it a little bit better. So I'm probably gonna sand it at least once or twice all over, and then we'll hit it with the stain. So we'll do that tomorrow, because it's like 11 o'clock right now. So I could keep going, trust me, I could keep going, but we will finish this tomorrow. We'll get right back on it tomorrow morning after we weigh in. So I will see you guys in the morning. Hope you guys dig this vlog. I hope you've been liking everything that we got going on. Much more awesome stuff coming. Hope you're liking this footage. This is the GH5 that we're shooting on right now. Like I said, just got to get another wide angle lens to mount this thing, and then we'll get a lot better, lot wider perspective, right? That's all I got, guys. I will see you in the morning.